Hey guys, so today I'll show you my experience with the bathroom sink. Okay, so it's sometimes it will get very slow, or even this water will stop completely because it doesn't drain properly in the sink drain. Um, Normally you can pour the drain cleaner down into the pipe, right? Of course, but other than unlike the kitchen sink, which could be just grease, and the drain cleaner could just dissolve those things in there, those organic matters in the drain. But a bathroom sink, normally the problem is with the hair. Okay, so you could try the drain cleaner liquid, but if the hair is there, it's kind of formed like a ball inside this drain, and it will stop the water and make it slow or stop completely. And the problem with these pop-up sinks is that there's a mechanism inside the pipe to pop up the water stopper, right? So the hair will get snagged in there. So over time, it becomes such a big ball, it stops the water. Okay, so two possibilities to resolve this issue. First, you could use a plunger. Okay, I know this is for a toilet bowl, but this will work. So if you plunge it really hard, pump it, and in a while the water is going to flow again. Okay, and that's definitely going to work. But in a few days, the drain will become slow again, because all the pump does is that it tries to move the water inside the drain, so that the ball of hair there get dislodged, it flows away, so the water will flow again. But then after a while, the hair will sink down to the same point where it's clogging the drain. Okay, so I bought this one. Look at this. This is a plastic long snake with barbed wire on the side. Okay, and this is the handle. Okay, so really cheap. That's $1 something. Actually, maybe less than $1, including the shipping from eBay. Okay, so we're going to open this up and see how it works. It will be basically the design. It's designed to. This is about half a meter long. Okay, from head to toe is about half a meter long. So you just basically stick this into the drain. A design of the barbed wire on the side will snag the hair and just pull it out. Okay, so once you get the hair out of your drain, of course you just resolve the issue, right, permanently. Okay, so let's see. First I want to show you how bad the drain is. So you can put water in there. You see right away it's the water is rising. Okay, it's not draining properly, even though the drain is wide open. So we're going to try to stop the noise. Okay, we're going to try to push this in there. So it may be hard. You have to just wiggle it when you're pushing this in. Okay, wiggle it so that it can snag up things. Okay, so it got a little bit of hair, but it's not much. So let's try a different angle, because it's hard to really get to the hair and get it out. Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. Now this time I got it. I think this first time it's just got snagged, moved up, but now this second time we just got it. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's dirty. Okay, so now we just clean it up, and then we run the water, hot water, for about 2 to 10 minutes. Okay, let's see if it works better actually, without any drain liquid, without any pumping of the plunger. Just 2 goes of this one. Okay, of this thing, the snake, or whatever you call it. And now you see the water is immediately flowing fast. Okay, I don't think I need to show you more. This is absolutely works within a minute. Okay, try it out. It's only $1 on eBay including shipping. It takes about a month to arrive, but you will not regret it.